Anong violet?
Asa man, wala ko kita.
Toto.
Sarap ko texting.
Peanut butter. Sugar. Kojo. Yeah. There's another decline client.
Decline. Oh, yeah.
Yes. Kani si Kojo ba nag-decline og medication? Papirma ninyo na eh. Okay.
OTC ra no? Sa Renike?
Yes. Asa ang waiver ane? Asa i-upload? Wala! I-upload ninyo sa kuan sa client. Dito man na sa patient good.
Oo. Because ang client na ni pirma.
Palusot. It's so quiet. We play music. Good afternoon, doctor.
Say yeah, say 5, yeah?
Can I ka? Ma? Nalin, what time you finished last night? 10:30? Then come to for Christmas is you. Yes, Baba. None so far, Baba. All good for now. Baba, you tell me later if raining too much na. But I put my scooty inside. It's raining na. Yeah.
No waterproof?
What if flood? I will. My scooter will swim in the
Literally swimming.
Shuada. So, pero sino
I
only?
sell my scooty. Put here.
Ha?
I sell my scooty.
Richie na wanted to buy. Sell to her.
Madam,
Okay.
Shuada. Nalin, where's the receipt? Receipt. How much you sell that? This is like 3 years old already. See, 4 years, mashallah. Mashallah, my scooter only 2 years. Only 2 years, Carbon. You know, Nalin, my scooter, this is for like my 5th scooter.
this 25 coming, December 25 coming, 4 years.
Mashallah.
battery.
Mashallah. Mabruk. I want for Christmas is you. Yeah. Super na dito. Baby! Mm. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Ruth, when do you say if the eyelashes is for retouch only? Because they're saying that they want only to do the retouch, the eyelash, false eyelash. They said retouch. When is that, like after 1 day from coating it? You didn't hear that?
No.
And maybe from the Kabayan thing, where they say this retouch, like example there's something wrong, so they will go back there and to do the retouch.
Oh, yeah. I think people do it. I don't do it.
And I heard it's free.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. Well, but if it's more than 1 week already, because mine is 1 week
Oh,
already.
yeah. It's like nails. If you do your nails and then one comes out like 1 day after, the retouch is going to be really good.
Like that.
Different for you? But I like it.
Yeah, I still like it. But slowly, no, especially if I take shower. With water. And to the fact that every day I'm showering my face, so yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking if I will redo next week. I don't know, we'll see. But since it's still there, I just want to retouch, like to add something, the one is missing. That's only what I want. Okay, they are arrived from home visit.
Naay sa naay siya is hotel, 4-star hotel, valid for 2 years daw. International hotel, stay 4 days, 3 nights in any 4-star hotel with breakfast, valid for 2 years. Pre-enrollment for 2 complimentary event passes. Mamili mi sa tulo daw. Luxury dinner with your family.
Yan ang sa luxury dinner.
Ay, bilang tripan na to ning hotel, okay, magbakasyon ba yata no?
Eh, kita lang daw.
O, ana, Jud. Apas lang siya.
Kung hotel, pila man katao ang pwede makomodate.
Wala mo ato dito.
Nga asa nga hotel.
For any 4-star hotel.
Let's search.
Di mo, gibasa na gani. Tana pa. Pero, nights in any 4 stars hotel with breakfast. 4-star lang yung ano nila. So to breakfast ra tapos wala din yun.
Wala, nga ka.
Magbaon na lang ta eh. Uy, pinaulos kay one night na mag-stay or
Daragang, 4 star. How do you say 4 star? Google star or what?
4-star hotels in Dubai.
Millennium Central. The Heritage Hotel Autograph. 4 points by Sheraton. Stay Bridge Suite. Residence Inn by Marriott Check. Layo sa Burj Khalifa. Mag-luxury dinner na lang ta.
Sige, luxury ba to ingon? Sige.
Luxury.
Yan na lang para hila.
Nga ang steak. I want steak. I want to eat steak mango.
Sige.
Pila man nakabok pag sa restaurant? Di ba upat?
Plus 3, pwede daw tatlo ang dalhin.
Oo.
So,
Kita.
3 na ta.
Bano to si Uncle.
Ibang siya kayo, sa kliman.
Say hi ka.
Vlog ni.
My colleague, guys. My colleague. Her name is Glenda. She is a widow.
Widow.
Business be. Oh, kani. No, dili naman data anak kay mag-luxury dinner man data.
Sino kay pantiliner dira?
Walay.
Roots? Pantiliner? Pantiliner? Ulit, 30
Ay, my another colleague. She is single,
Not ready to mingle.
but she's mingling already.
Yeah, I know.
Nalin, come.
It's not eternity.
Come here. You're my friend na. Come here. Come. No, it's not live. I'm recording you. Come.
Teo? What's the request ka mo, Gigi? No, it's not that. Bakit daw siya? Picture na good din niya. Pag yung pag-upload.
Look. This is my colleague, Ruth. Say hi. She's single. She's looking for boyfriend. Rich boyfriend.
Rich, nice boyfriend.
Yes, nice. Responsible. Smart intelligence. Smart
No
intelligence.
drama.
No drama. Well, drama always there. It's just a matter of how you handle it. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. This is my makeup today. Just light lang.